friends, how are you? I hope you are well. Today in this video, I am going to explain merits and demerits, or you can say drawbacks or limitations of modern periodic table. At first, let us start from merits. Merits of modern periodic table. I have written the headings. What are the merits? First point is the systematic classification. In modern periodic table, elements are classified based on electronic configuration. Elements are classified based upon electronic configuration, or I can say that elements are arranged according to increasing order of their atomic numbers, and atomic number is more fundamental than atomic mass. So systematic arrangement of electrons according to the increasing order of atomic number is more justified than atomic mass of Mendeleev's periodic table. Second one is that easy to remember and reproduce. Easy to remember and reproduce. Since the elements are arranged according to the increasing order of their atomic numbers, so it is easy to remember the elements and also reproduce the periodic table. Next point is that prediction of properties of elements. Third point is the prediction of properties of elements. Since the elements are arranged according to the increasing order of their atomic numbers, or you can say according to their electronic configuration, so it is easy to predict the properties of the elements, because here the elements are arranged in such a manner. However, the elements having similar electronic configuration comes in same vertical column. Since the properties of element correspond to electronic configuration, so I can say that those elements are present in the same vertical column, they show similar properties, and those present in different vertical column or groups, they show different properties. Next point, position of isotopes are justified. What is the position of isotope is justified? Modern periodic table, elements are arranged according to increasing order of their atomic numbers. So an element with different isotopes, but their atomic number is same, because we know that isotopes are the atoms of the same element with different atomic mass. Since the elements are arranged according to the increasing order of the atomic numbers, so isotope is not a obstruction in this case, because elements are arranged according to increasing order of the atomic numbers. Though isotopes having the different mass, but their atomic number is same. So I can say that position of isotopes are justified. Next one, anomalous properties, or you can say anomalous position of some pair of elements of some pair of elements. Anomalous position of some pair of elements have been justified. You can say have been justified. For example, you see that cobalt nickel in Mendeleev's periodic table, cobalt was written before the nickel, but the mass of cobalt was more than nickel. But afterwards, when we arrange the elements according to the electronic configuration of atomic number, we found that atomic number of nickel is more than cobalt. So I can say that anomalous position of some pair of elements have been justified in modern periodic table. Next point, uncertainty. In prediction of new elements have been removed. New elements removed because here the elements are written according to the electronic configuration. Atoms having similar electronic configuration comes in the same vertical column or same group. So the uncertainty in prediction of new elements in modern periodic table is removed by studying the nature of the elements, or you can say here the electronic configuration correspond to properties of the elements. Next one, very important point. While properties of elements repeated after properties of elements are repeated after 2, 8, 18 and 32 elements. Listen carefully. Why properties of elements are repeated after 2, 8, 18 and 32 elements? Here the elements are arranged according to increasing or according to their electronic configuration, increasing order of their atomic numbers, or you can say according to their electronic configuration. So the electronic configuration repeated after 2, 8, 18 and 32 elements. That's why the properties are repeated after 2, 8, 18 and 32 elements, which shows the periodicity. So modern periodic table shows the periodicities. Here 2, 8, 18, 32 because the maximum number of electrons can be accommodated in KLMN cells are 2, 8, 18 and 32. So this restricts the number of elements in a period, or you can say these things it fixes the number of elements in a period. So these are the merits of modern periodic table. Now I am telling about the demerits, or you can say limitations, or you can say defects and limitations. Defects and limitations of modern periodic table. First drawback: position of hydrogen. In modern periodic table, position of hydrogen is not decided. The fact is that hydrogen is a non-metal. Its many properties are similar with alkali metals. Those are present in group 1. Its valency is also 1. That means some similarities with alkali metals. At the same time, it has some similarity with the halogen family like chlorine, bromine and iodine. So, it is difficult to decide the position of hydrogen in a particular group. So, the position of hydrogen in modern periodic table is not finalized. Even in some periodic table, you can find the hydrogen is written in the middle and top of the modern periodic table. So, this is one of the drawback. Second one, helium position. According to electronic configuration, the helium should come in group 2, but the helium is written in group 18. It should, according to electronic configuration, it should be group 2, but the position of a helium in group 18 along with the noble gases, because it is an inert gas. So this is also considered one of the drawbacks of a modern periodic table. The last drawback I am telling, that is about the lanthanides and actinides. The lanthanides and actinides. In modern periodic table, lanthanides and actinides are not arranged in main table. It is arranged below the table separately. So this is also one of the drawbacks of a modern periodic table. So children, don't forget to like or dislike. At the same time, you can share these videos to your friends. So for today, this is enough. Thank you.